Hi, my name is Ronei and I'm student number 9417 from AIBT. This is a roleplay activity of the unit CHCAGE001. In this scenario, we have three characters. The first one is Jack, a 70 years old man that needs help twice a week with his shopping and laundry. The second character is James, the care worker. The third character is Buddy, the little dog of Jack. Jack, the client, has arthritis, which is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis causes cartilage, the hard, slippery tissue that covers the ends of the bones where they form a joint, to break down. Rheumatoid arthritis is a disease in which the immune system attacks the joints, beginning with the lining of joints. Uric acid crystals, which form when there's too much uric acid in your blood, can cause gout. Infections or underlying disease, such as psoriasis or lupus, can cause other types of arthritis. Treatments vary depending on the type of arthritis. The main goal of arthritis treatment are to reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. Now, let's go to the role play. Good morning, sir. My name is James and I'm here to help you in what you need. Can I call you Jack?
Sure you can. It's nice to see you, James.
How are you today, Jack?
Unfortunately, not so good.
Could I know what's happening?
Oh, it's my arthritis. I feel it's getting worse. It's hurting a lot these days.
So, how long have you been suffering from arthritis?
Well, I'm not able to do my daily activities like before. It's very difficult because the pain that I'm feeling in my joints.
What symptoms have you noticed lately?
Every time I move my arms, legs, and fingers, I feel very bad because it hurts and I can't handle simple things like open a door, for example. Do you know if it has a cure?
No, not that I know, but there are treatments to relieve the pain, and if I'm not wrong.
Do you have an idea how can I do it?
So, first, we need to follow medical procedures provided by your doctors. And if you want, I can make an appointment with a physiotherapist to improve your condition.
Oh, please book it for me as soon as you can.
Of course I do. Today is a very beautiful day. I saw different flowers in your garden. Shall we go outside and have a look?
Oh, let's go.
The nature is wonderful, isn't?
Yes, sometimes I forget how wonderful the life is.
I understand, and I'm here to do whatever you need. Wash dishes, help you with your bath, take care of the dog, and other things you find necessary. Just ask me and I do it, okay?
Oh, I appreciate all your kindness. I really need your help to do these things. I used to help people, and now who needs help is me.
Yes, I'll talk to my supervisor about it and change the schedule to have all the things done.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm happy with all you're doing for me.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's very nice to have a conversation with you, especially because I always learn new things with people like you.
Oh, thanks, James. It's very good to feel alive again.
So, I need to go now, but you can call me whenever you need. Have an excellent afternoon.
Oh, goodbye, James.
After the role play, we realized that arthritis is and how this disease affects the human life, as well how important is keeping record of the condition to provide all the help is needed for the client to feel better. The communication in a good tune is also very important, always respecting the client and to make more comfortable environment, maintaining eye contact while doing the conversation and using the body language, respecting culture, difference and privacy, always trying to help. At last, the empower of the client, we can give examples how other people overcome the problem by following medications, exercises, and proper diet that is told by doctors and nurses.